launching at high tide, day 2. Okay, so the plan today is to cross over to those 2 islands and then head into the sound on the other side. Got a nice sunny day. I can see the 2 islands where I'll make my crossing of Queen Charlotte Sound. So there's the Blue Bridge ferry crossing right now. So I should be good to cross over to the other side of the sound. No cruise ships today. Question is, was the Inner Islander ferry in front of that one or behind it? Okay, and there's the Inner Islander. So I've seen both ferries cross in the last half hour. I shouldn't have to worry about any ferries on my way across to the island here in the middle. Okay, Packseakayaking Point is in sight. I'll cross over to this island and then cross over and around Packseakayaking Point. Almost to the island. Nice and calm. Hardly any wind right now at all. All right. Once I round this Packseakayaking Point, I'll be entering Torea Bay, where I'll be carrying over to Sound. There's a good view of the saddle.